So guys, this video how to install or spawn mode. Click Minecraft guys and click Force Abdallah. Wait guys. Back again guys this video in this and search present app the present. Yes guys and click roaming. Minecraft WinRAR. Guys, delete this middle left. Then guys, Forge, select all, and pass near. And guys, next or spawn mode. Guys, first open your Minecraft. Enter. Guys, and that. This is work guys in mods. And you need app the dragon guys. And click roaming again guys. Minecraft guys. Pin guys WinRAR. Exit and select all in here. Make it guys and click OK. And now we deleted this guys and guys, this is finished guys. And click mods. Here is our spawn mod and single player. See guys, this is my mod. Click E. I'm survival. Wait lang. Sorry guys. Game mod. Oh, this is new guys. And click in this guys. Bye. Click the two. More. Red ant. The red ant guys. And number 2. The robot. This guys. This guys. Bye guys, next video.